In 1995, I was feeding my weight and quarters into Mortal Kombat 3, and Magic the Gathering were releasing their 6th expansion, Ice Age. In keeping with the Frozen theme, this expansion introduced snowlands, which generally function the same as ordinary mountains, plains, and so on. However, Ice Age also contains cards that interact with only snowy lands. For example, Woolly Mammoth respond to controlled snow lands by gaining Trample. Likewise, the red card Avalanche destroys snow-covered lands. What a novel mechanic! Novelty, though, doesn't always imply fun. Did you enjoy these snow mechanics? Though a booster pack of Ice Age costs $2.45 on release, these days it goes for $37. The top cards are Necropotence at $28.50, various lands for about $20, and Illusions of Grandeur for $15. Thanks for watching, and goodbye money.
National Brotherhood Week.